For this video, I'm going to be doing standard solutions, or solution of known concentration. There are two ways to prepare the solution. One is from a solid, where you take a known solute and dissolve it in solvent, or you take a solution of known concentration and add more solvent. First, we're going to create a standard solution from a solid. We have to calculate or determine the mass of the solid required to make this solution. Next, we have to weigh out that mass into a clean, dry beaker. Then we have to dissolve the solid by adding water and stirring until dissolved. Remember to wash the stir stick 3 times to remove any of the solution still on there. Next, transfer the solution into a volumetric flask using a pipette. Clean the pipette using distilled water. Then add water to the required amount. Lastly, mix the solution by inverting the flask 10 times. We're going to do a practice problem of creating a standard solution from a solid. Now we see here that we have 5 liters, and we want to convert that to moles per liter. So we're going to do 5 times 0.2 moles per liter. We're going to write it like this so that our liters cancel out. Then we want to convert moles per liter into grams per liter. So we want to write the 0.2 here and the grams here so that our moles per liter cancel out here. And once we do all the math, we are left with 58.44 grams. Now we're going to create a standard solution from a liquid. First, we have to determine the volume of the stock solution required to make the desired solution using the C1V1 equals C2V2 formula. Next, transfer more than required of the stock solution into a clean, dry beaker. After that, transfer the needed stock solution into a volumetric flask using a pipette. Remember to wash the pipette 3 times. Then add water until you have the required volume of solution. Mix the solution by inverting the flask 10 times. Now we're going to do a practice problem for creating a standard solution from a liquid. What volume of 10 moles of CH3COOH is required to make a 0.15 mole solution at 50 milliliters? We're going to use the C1V1 equals C2V2 formula. We have concentration number 1, concentration number 2, and the volume number 2. Now we're looking for V1 here, so we're going to divide both sides by C1, which is going to equal to V1 equals C2V2 divided by C1. Now we're going to sub in the numbers. 5 moles divided by 0. And then it comes out to 7.5 times 10 to the negative 4 liters. And then we're done.